Hi children, in this video we are going to see lesson 1 grammar book page number 8 exercise number 4. Répondez à la forme négative. Okay, so response in negative. So negative statements. Just remember that how do you make negative statements in French? It is very easy. So you all know that we should write NE before the verb, okay, and then PAS after the verb, pa. So normally, when you want to write the negative statements, we will add NE before the verb and PAS after the verb. So when you are giving the response, if you are going to answer to the question, okay, the subject NE and the verb plus past participle plus pa, we will use like this. Okay, so let us see in this exercise how you want to change the sentence into negative. So look at this example. So if you get this example, you have to do like an example. Okay. So look at this. As-tu oublié ton livre? As-tu oublié ton livre? Did you forget your book? Non, je n'ai pas oublié mon livre. Non, je n'ai pas oublié mon livre. So look at this answer. So here the question is as-tu. So you have to give the answer in first person singular. It's very important. If the question is second person, your answer must be in first person. So, as-tu oublié ton livre? Non, je n'ai pas oublié mon livre. No, I did not forget my book. So here you can see the avoir verb is considered as a main verb because oublier is not a verb. This is past participle. So the main verb we have to write NE before that and PAS after that. There is one more rule. If the verb starts with vowel, we're not supposed to write NE. That E will be elided. Instead of that, we are using N apostrophe. So look at that. Je n'ai pas oublié mon livre. No, I did not forget my book. So same way like this, you are going to answer to the question. So here they are going to give you some questions. For the question, you have to give the answer in negative. So don't forget this. This is the main important rule. If the question is second person, your answer must be in first person, either singular or plural. So look at this first one. Avez-vous perdu votre porte-monnaie? So did you lose your wallet? Did you lose your wallet? So here you have to say the answer. No, je n'ai pas perdu mon porte-monnaie. No, I did not lose my wallet. So look at this answer. Here is the question. Avez-vous? You can give answer in new form also, but here for the convenient I have used I. So avez-vous can be in second person plural and also formal form. So avez-vous perdu votre porte-monnaie? Did you lose your wallet? No, I did not lose my wallet. Okay, so look at that. Je n'ai pas perdu mon porte-monnaie. And the main important thing, you just look at here. Here we have used the possessive adjective. Votre porte-monnaie, which means your wallet. So when you give the answer, mon porte-monnaie. So no, je n'ai pas perdu mon porte-monnaie. Did you lose your wallet? No, I did not lose my wallet. Avez-vous perdu votre porte-monnaie? No, je n'ai pas perdu mon porte-monnaie. Okay, so just note down this. So negative statement, the main avoir or ether verb, the auxiliary verb will be considered as the main verb. So we have to write NE before that and PAS after that. The past participle is not a verb. Okay, and look at that B. Avez-vous regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris? Avez-vous regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris? Did you watch the film Notre-Dame de Paris? So you have to say the answer in negative. No, je n'ai pas regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris. No, I did not watch the film Notre-Dame de Paris. So here also the same. Just remember that this is second person plural. So you can consider in formal form. So you can write the answer. Je n'ai pas regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris. So you may ask Notre-Dame de Paris. This is not R. That's a church name, Our Lady Church. Okay, Notre-Dame de Paris. It's a very famous cathedral in Paris. Okay. So, je n'ai pas regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris. Okay. So, did you see the film Notre Dame de Paris? No, I did not see the film Notre Dame de Paris. Okay, is it clear? Okay, let us go to the third one. So, a-t-elle fini ses devoirs? A-t-elle fini ses devoirs? Did she finish her homework? So, we are talking about the third person. Okay, a-t-elle fini ses devoirs? So, it is third person. So, third person, you have to give the answer in third person form. So, here it is a-t-elle. Just remember the rule a-t-elle. Okay, the normal form is L-A. Okay, L-A. So vowel rule. So that's why the T is added between the our verb and under the subject. So here when you write the answer, no, elle n'a pas fini. Elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. No, she did not finish her homework. Okay. No, elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. Just remember the rule. You have to write NE before the verb and PAS after the verb. Here the verb is starting with vowel. You should write N apostrophe. Okay. Elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. Once again, I repeat. Look at here. A-t-elle, which means the inversion form. Okay. So when you change to normal form, subject plus verb, it will be changed L-A. Not a-t-elle. So T is used for the vowel rules. Okay, so don't confuse with this. So a-t-elle, which means actually L-A. Okay, L-A. So when you write the negative statement, you should write it elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. No, elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. Clear? Did she finish her homework? No, she did not finish her homework. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next we'll go to the D. A-t-il parlé en classe? A-t-il parlé en classe? Did he speak in the class? Okay, did he speak in class? So you have to give the answer. Here also the same rule. Just remember this. A-t-il. A-t-il, which means third person singular. So our plus when you add our before the pronoun, so vowel rule. So when you change to normal form, il a. So a-t-il, il a. So when you give the answer, no, il n'a pas parlé en classe. No, he did not speak in class. No, il n'a pas parlé en classe. A-t-il parlé en classe? No, il n'a pas parlé en classe. Did he speak in class? No, he did not speak in class. The last one. Look at here. As-tu trouvé ton passeport? So, as-tu trouvé ton passeport? So, you have to give the answer. This is second person singular. Look at the question. As-tu? Have you? Okay. So, as-tu trouvé ton passeport? So, you have to say no, je n'ai pas trouvé mon passeport. No, je n'ai pas trouvé mon passeport. So, here the our verb is added with n apostrophe and pas after that. So, the answer is no, je n'ai pas trouvé mon passeport. No, I did not find my passport. Did you find your passport? No, I did not find my passport. Okay, so here are the answers. You just look at this because it's very important exercise. They will ask you this exercise in your examination. So if they ask you, they'll give you an example. If the exercise has an example, definitely they will give along with the example. So look at the example. So according to that, you have to answer to the question. And very important, look at the first and last one, the possessive adjective. So when you're replying to the question, okay, did you lose your wallet? No, I did not lose my wallet. And then last, and did you find your passport? No, I did not find my passport. That's why I've underlined these two. Okay, so look at that. Non, je n'ai pas perdu mon porte-monnaie. Non, je n'ai pas regardé le film Notre-Dame de Paris. Non, elle n'a pas fini ses devoirs. Non, il n'a pas parlé en classe. No, je n'ai pas trouvé mon passeport. So here all the answers are started with the response no. Okay, this is very important. The third and fourth, look at here, third person singular. So third person singular, you have to use it as such, L, il. If the question is second person, you have to give the answer in first person. Okay, so let rest of the exercise we'll see in the next video. Thank you all.